Before we get started, please make sure to pull up the Check for Understanding body paragraph form. So these next few videos are going to be about body paragraphs and counter-argument body paragraphs. First, we're going to go over the kinds of body paragraphs, and then we'll move into what is the difference between a regular body paragraph and a counter-argument. Then we'll go in depth into the elements that make up a body paragraph, as well as a counter-argument or rebuttal paragraph. And then I'll briefly touch on incorporating one appeal into your counter-argument. 1. Kinds of body paragraphs. An overview of the requirements that make up the body paragraph in this essay. So there's two kinds of paragraphs that we're going to be working with. One that you're familiar with, which is the typical body paragraph, which will be two of those, and a new one, or maybe a refresher for some of you, a counter-argument or rebuttal, which will be the third body paragraph. For some of you, the word rebuttal may be a new term for you. Rebuttal is a noun. It's defined as refutation or contradiction. You may also not know what refutation means. So to refute means to prove a statement, theory, or person is wrong or false. Number 2, what's the difference? What's the point? So in this section, we're going to look at an overview of requirements that make up a body paragraph in this essay. So hopefully this is review. These are the elements that consist of a body paragraph. Your topic sentence, a lead-in, some evidence, proper citation, analysis, and a concluding sentence. Now keep in mind that this is kind of the layout for the actual body paragraph, where you're going to have a piece of evidence followed by 2 sentences minimum of analysis, and you repeat that same process, which is what creates the entire body paragraph. Now here are the 2 types of paragraphs that you're working with. You're going to have 2 body paragraphs and 1 rebuttal counter-argument paragraph. For body paragraphs, your evidence and analysis is supporting your argument. It's going to be the first 2 body paragraphs in this essay. In your rebuttal counter-argument, evidence and analysis are supporting the counter-argument. Analysis also shows why the counter-argument is flawed. And it's the third and last body paragraph. So you might be asking, what's the point of a rebuttal? If we look back at the structure of a body paragraph, both seem to serve a very similar purpose. Now with the body paragraph, the purpose is to explain and provide evidence for your side of the argument. You're trying to teach the reader why your side is more convincing in this paper, which ties to the counter-argument. Now with the counter-argument, you want to show that you're respectful and knowledgeable of opposing views. You're trying to show why it's flawed. And you're trying to show that there's more than one point of view to the audience. So we're going to pause here, and I want you to use the Google form to answer the 2 questions. What's the difference between regular body paragraphs and rebuttal paragraphs? Check all that apply. And what is the importance of presenting a rebuttal or counter-argument? So pause here and resume after answering.